Yo guys, this is the second lecture, and during the second lecture, we will discuss the course workflow that we'll follow along this beautiful course. Well, the workflow will be like I'll upload 5 minute lecture on daily basis. Um, I think it will be fine, right? 5 minute lectures on daily basis. Yeah, and I have seen actually a lot of courses on the Udemy and YouTube and Coursera and a lot of platforms like that, where the course providers create a lecture on uh, create a lecture of like 1 hour long or 50 minutes long, and these are quite like challenging to follow and quite difficult to grasp. They are quite difficult, like because the lecture length are so long that the person becomes bored, So that's why I planned this to make it small. I'll keep the video small, the lecture small, and you'll be like fine to grasp those concepts and stuff like that. Moreover, this course is specifically for the network building, or I'll say this complete YouTube channel is for network building. We want to build network. You want to build network. We want to build network. And for that purposes, we have created a Discord channel that you can join. I'll post the link in the description, and you can join that Discord channel. And one more plus point in the joining the channel or joining the network is that there will be a lot of guys to help you, right? If you have a problem following the program or you have a problem following the course, like for example, you are facing an error, so you can just ask in the network, and a lot of guys are there to help you, and they'll help you for sure. If they doesn't, I'll make sure to help you, and just join the network and build the network. After that, I'd recommend you to join the GitHub channel, because that is quite good to join, because there all the code that will be write will be uploaded over here on daily basis. Because when you will follow, if you have challenge following a lecture, for example, you are getting an error, so you can just copy the code from here and just paste it over there, and you can run the code. And if you still have the problem, then you can post it in the Discord channel, and there are a lot of people to help you, right? So thank you.